your property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. First, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all this will be required to get in photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available for this property along with various fees and sanitary policy. For booking and more details, read description box. You are facing any kind of problem. Take a look at this property. Help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already shared in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel, welcome to subscribe our channel yet. Subscribe our